Hello and welcome back to part 2 of the Mini ITX system build project. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to go and start unboxing stuff and giving you a quick look. If you haven't watched the unboxings, then you can go and watch the full unboxings on all of the products. But what we're going to do is we're going to just go around and take a quick look at all of the products as we're unboxing them and starting to get ready to build it. So yeah, what I will do in this video is obviously I'll unbox it and then I'll start putting the main components together, such as the processor, motherboard, RAM, that kind of thing. So that's what we're going to see in this video. So yeah, stay tuned and it'll give you a good idea of what the system's going to turn out like. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the power supply case and all of that to one side. We'll see them just in a second, but I'm going to start with the motherboard. Now I have no idea whether you can see any of this, but if you can, then good, but if you can't, I am sorry. So we have the motherboard. Other than that, all of what we need is here. So we need the I/O shield, which is one of the nicer I/O shields, obviously because it's Gigabyte's best mini ITX board on the market. So then we also need these SATA cables because we will be using those, and we won't need this just yet, so that'll fit in the box. So let's put that stuff to one side. We don't need we just need these products. So I will be back in a second. Right, so the first thing I want to do is put the processor in. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing on this processor right now. So I'll just put this stuff to one side. Yeah, so this is the 4570, and this is, like I said, obviously it's a Haswell Socket 1150 processor. So what you get in the box is you do actually get a free trial of McAfee and it's a bunch of other stuff because McAfee's an Intel company apparently, and it's obviously all of this stuff which is sealed. I don't know if you can just tear it open. Yeah, you can. So you got all of that information, and then you've got your little i5 sticker on the back there. So that's where that is. Then we also have, because this is a consumer processor, you also get your stock fan, which stock CPU cooler, which we will definitely not be using because we have more than enough CPU coolers for this system. So I'm just going to take this out, and it's I don't know if you can see that, or if the light's in there, but yeah, that's what that looks like.